Today we're diving into a hands-on test of the eufy E25, a robot vacuum that claims to bring certified deep cleaning right into your home. And we were confident in working with eufy because we have their amazing video door lock protecting our home, so we already know that they make great products. This eufy E25 is packed with features like hydrojet floor washing, 20,000 Pascal turbo suction, and even a smart edge cleaning corner rover arm to make sure you're getting the best clean possible. We're going to be putting it through its paces while verifying those cleaning claims with the white test, which will see if the E25 leaves behind any messes that'll show up on a white paper towel. I'm excited to see what this little powerhouse can actually do, so let's get into it, starting with getting the E25 out of the box. The vacuum itself has a cool shiny black design that looks great. You can see the sensor array here on the top and the cameras on the front. Underneath the E25, it's got a super wide mopping roller for the Hydrojet floor washing system and these dual vacuum brushes that have a great split design to them. It's also got two edge brushes, including this one here that eufy calls the corner rover arm, which we'll see in action here soon for getting into tight corners. We also have the Omni station that pairs perfectly with the E25. The station has two containers on the side, one for clean water and the other for dirty water. There's also a spot inside to add a cleaning solution, which the station will automatically add to the water when the E25 needs a top up. And on the other side, there's a spot for dust collection bag, which provides up to 75 days of maintenance-free cleaning. So plenty of super helpful features built right in. eufy recommends placing a station about 1.5 feet away from any obstacles, and we found a great spot for it to go where we could get the E25 charged and set up in the app. The app makes it super easy to map out the layout of your home and even includes the option for multi-floor mapping, which is awesome. It also provides custom cleaning settings that you can adjust, including cleaning intensity, water level, and suction power. Or you can just activate the AI automation to let the E25 determine the best settings for each room. You can also activate the dirt inspection mode, which will inspect rooms after cleaning to ensure you didn't miss a spot, as well as smart track cleaning, which will follow you around the house and clean the floor along its route. Definitely some cool features that I haven't seen before, but I'm ready to see how this thing performs. Now I'm excited to see the Hydrojet floor washing system in action, which is something that sets the E25 apart from its competition. Unlike other mopping robots that just smear dirty water across your floor, this system uses a self-cleaning rolling mop with a continuous freshwater flow and uses dual water tanks in the E25 to keep the clean and dirty water separate. That means the roller stays clean during the entire mopping process. It actively scrubs your floor while rinsing itself in real time as it spins 360 times per minute, keeping your floors looking great. Let's prove it with the white test. Starting with muddy paw prints and dried coffee stains on the ground, we'll set the E25 to work and see how good of a job it does cleaning up this mess. You can see the difference from before and after, clearly showing the E25 is good at its job. And once it was done, I wiped a freshly cleaned floor with the white paper towel, and you can see it's absolutely spotless. Then when I wiped the mop head, it is also clean. This is exactly what deep cleaning should look like. I also put the E25 through some real-world chaos, like crumbs, sticky spills, and spilled milk to see how it handles different types of messes. Whether it's after breakfast or playtime, this robot doesn't miss a beat. Check out how easily it handles everything it comes across. It's like having a full mop and vacuum crew in one device in your home at all times. I really like how that giant 11.4-inch mopping roller on the bottom is able to cover so much floor surface as it works, meaning less time spent taking multiple passes along our floors. We've had other RoboVacs in the past with smaller rollers and dual mopping pads that just can't compete with the cleaning abilities of the E25. And with 1.5 kilograms of downward pressure, the roller is easily able to scrub the floors as it cleans, leaving nothing behind. Now, when it's not mopping, it's vacuuming, and the eufy Home app makes it super easy to start a vacuum session at any time. It also lets you activate the maximum suction mode, which gives you 20,000 pascals of turbo suction. That's industrial grade. And on both hardwood floors and low pile rugs, it picks up everything from pet hair to food crumbs in a single pass. You can really hear the power of the E25 as it goes. And with smart surface detection, it'll automatically adjust the suction power based on the floor type. In addition, you can set up no-go zones for the E25, where you can just completely avoid an area that you don't want the vacuum to go. Now let's talk corners. Most robot vacuums miss them, but the E25 has a corner rover arm, which automatically extends into wall edges and furniture corners, which means no more hidden dust bunnies or crumbs trapped in the corners, which is great. Some previous robot vacuums that we've had only come with one corner brush that would fling debris around rather than guide it toward the vacuum rollers. But with the E25, that's no longer a concern. It does a great job bringing everything into the center of the vacuum to clean it all up, no problem. So let's run a before and after test. On the left side, is the untouched mess, right side after a single pass. And the difference is clear. The eufy E25 is doing a great job on just a single pass. Now once the E25 has finished mopping and vacuuming, it'll return to the station to automatically empty the dustbin and also clean and dry the mopping roller to ensure it's ready to tackle the next mess. And again, with this dust bag in the station, you get up to 75 days of maintenance-free cleaning before having to empty it, which is great. Another feature of the E25 is the Duo Spiral Detangle Brush. It's specifically designed to resist hair tangles. You can see here as I spin the roller manually how the side arms extend and retract to remove hair from the roller. And even after cleaning a carpet covered in pet hair, there's no clogs and you won't have to cut hair out of the rollers afterwards. And eufy's self-developed algorithm is so advanced that the E25 behaves like a self-driving car as it navigates around your home. With AI seam technology and RGB visual recognition, the robot identifies over 200 different objects to ensure it steers clear of any obstacles it may encounter. The E25 also features eufy's smart dirt detection, which recognizes over 30 plus common stains and adapts cleaning strategies accordingly. The E25 also has a built-in LED for low light navigating and cleaning, which comes in handy for getting under furniture or vacuuming in the evening. In addition to all these great features, the battery in the E25 can definitely keep up with the power, providing up to 110 minutes when vacuuming and mopping, or up to 180 minutes when just vacuuming, ensuring the job gets done without having to constantly return to the station for charging. Plus, you can easily set the station to charge during off-peak hours to save on energy and keep the E25 ready for the next job. So there you have it. The eufy E25 combines deep mopping, powerful suction, corner-to-corner coverage, and a whole lot of smart features into one sleek package. If you're looking for a low-maintenance robot vacuum that doesn't just go through the motions, but actually cleans your whole home, then this one's a winner. So just search eufy E25 on Amazon or click the links in the description below to check it out for yourself. And let me know if you have any questions or comments while you're down there. I'm curious to know which features of the E25 are most impressive to you and if you're planning on picking one of these up. And I also wanted to quickly mention that eufy has an E28 model available as well if you're looking for an all-in-one solution that also provides the option of handheld deep cleaning. The E28 has a station with the deep cleaner built right in that can be easily removed for spot cleaning a couch or upholstery anywhere in your home. But if that's not a feature that you need in a robot vacuum, the E25 is just as capable on the floor while also coming in at a lower price, which is great. And lastly, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video.